Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make French silk brownies. So let's get started. You'll first need to make the world's best brownies. I'll link to the recipe on how to make this in the description box. Then to make the chocolate topping, in a small saucepan add the eggs and sugar. Place the saucepan over a medium heat. Whisk the ingredients until they're combined. Then add a candy thermometer and heat the mixture until it gets up to 160 degrees. Making sure you whisk it most of the time, but you don't have to do it constantly. And once it gets up to temperature, remove it from the heat. Add in the chopped dark chocolate. And whisk it in until it's combined and melted. Then set it aside and let it cool down to room temperature. Then in a medium bowl, add in the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer for a minute until it's smooth. Then add in the cooled chocolate mixture. Again, make sure it's at room temperature. And beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for 5 minutes until it becomes thicker and lighter in color. Then in a small bowl, add in the heavy cream and whip it until it forms a soft peaks. Then add it into the rest of the mixture and fold it in until it's just combined. And then spread it all over the cooled brownies. Then whip some additional heavy cream with a little bit of sugar until it forms a stiff peaks. And then gently spread it over the top of the chocolate mixture. Don't worry if some of it mixes into the whipped cream. And then using a vegetable peeler, shave some dark chocolate over the top. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 4 hours until it's firm. And that's how to make French silk brownies. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.